Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to change name in Weverse. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Weverse application. You can see over here Weverse application has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you're logged into your account initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At bottom, you'll be able to find various icons over here. Tap on the more icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the more interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Over here, you'll be able to see your nickname, and right next to it, you'll be able to find the option for my account. Simply tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be redirected to the browser. You'll be able to find the section for my info over here. In this section for my info, you'll be able to find the options for email, nickname, name, password, country or region, etc. Simply tap on the option change that you can see right next to the option name. Now you'll have to enter your first name and last name. Tap on the field of last name and enter the last name over here. Likewise, tap on the field of first name and enter the first name. Now what you have to do is tap on the save option that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you can see over here your edits have been saved. You can see over here your name will be changed. So like this, you'll be able to change the name. So that is how you change name on Weverse. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.